Yo, what's up boys? Welcome to my shitty YouTube channel. Today, it's going to be a showcase of the Snorcerer outfit. Yes, Rux managed to actually sell this, and it was in the actual daily store. It cost 550 rainbow stars. So we're going to showcase this outfit to you guys today. What the heck? An all-star. AIP shooter. Actual bro memento. Let's go down here. Okay then. Yeah. What the hell? Look, that guy just respawned in front of me. What the fuck is that? Those actual AIDS. Rip also, I'll get you. God. Let's go space station. Where are you going? Yo, butter book. Alright, I'm getting off your head. What the hell? Death by ball. Nightcap. Got him. Hello. I'm here. Sunflower. Damn it. Mess him up. Nice. I don't have a potion. Now I do. Got you. Oh, let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, God. Banter. God. Here we go. Jeez, that Citron had like full overhealth. It was insane. Super Brains. Let's go. Jeez. Great. Oh, that's an AI. Oh, Jesus. Okay, dude. What the hell? The sensitivity is so weird when you're in that thing now. Citron. Hello? Oh no. Oh, someone managed to take. Oh my god. Let's go on the parrot! Alright, now we'll go on Super Brains. Oh, hello. Let's go. Sure, there's potato mines. Holy crap, that 80s AI. I didn't get the sunflower. I mean the nightcap. There you go. Let's go. Crap. Oh no. Okay. And that's game, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching this little showcase on the Snorcerer outfit. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. If you did like this shit video, make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Goodbye.